master your mind and you master the universe. What you think and feel, you shall receive. Neville Goddard. To master the fundamental law of creation, it is essential to understand that the universe operates according to principles that are deeply intertwined with our own consciousness. The law in question is the principle that your thoughts and feelings shape your reality. This principle reveals that the universe responds to the state of your inner world, reflecting it back into your external experiences. When you grasp and apply this law, you tap into a profound power that can manifest absolutely anything you desire. The core idea is that everything in your life, from your relationships and career to your health and financial status, is a direct result of the thoughts and emotions you consistently hold. By aligning your inner state with the outcomes you wish to achieve, you create a powerful magnet for those desires. It's not just about thinking positively, it's about deeply feeling and believing that your desires are already fulfilled. This shift in perspective enables you to influence the fabric of reality itself. To begin mastering this law, start by becoming aware of your current thought patterns and emotional states. Notice how these patterns might be shaping your present circumstances. Are your thoughts predominantly focused on what you lack, or are they aligned with the abundance you wish to experience? Are your emotions resonating with joy and gratitude, or are they clouded by doubt and fear? This awareness is the first step toward realigning your inner world with the life you wish to create. Next, practice visualization as a powerful tool to align your inner state with your desired outcomes. Visualization involves imagining your goals as if they are already accomplished. Picture yourself living the life you desire, experiencing the emotions that come with it, and immerse yourself in this mental image with all the clarity and intensity you can muster. This practice helps to imprint your desires on your subconscious mind, which in turn influences your external reality. Affirmations are another crucial tool in mastering this law. Craft affirmations that reflect your desired outcomes and repeat them with conviction. The repetition of positive affirmations helps to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. It's important to speak these affirmations with genuine feeling and belief, as this emotional charge amplifies their effectiveness. It's also essential to cultivate gratitude as a daily practice. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a more positive emotional state that attracts more of what you desire. By appreciating what is currently present in your life, you signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more. This simple yet profound practice aligns your vibration with abundance and opens the door for more manifestations. Expanding on the application of this powerful law, it's crucial to understand how to manage and channel your energy effectively to align with your desires. This involves a more nuanced approach to your daily experiences and interactions. Begin by cultivating a heightened awareness of how your energy shifts in response to various situations and people. Each interaction and event in your life serves as a reflection of your inner state, and understanding this can help you fine-tune your approach to manifesting your goals. One effective strategy is to practice mindfulness and emotional regulation. By being present in the moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment, you can identify and address any negative or unproductive patterns that might be hindering your progress. Mindfulness helps you become more attuned to your inner self, allowing you to adjust your mental and emotional state more consciously. In addition, setting clear intentions is fundamental. Your intentions act as the guiding force for your manifestations. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve and visualize it with precision. The clearer your intention, the more effectively you can direct your thoughts and energy towards it. This clarity of purpose aligns your actions and decisions with your goals, making it easier for the universe to respond to your desires. Another important aspect is to cultivate a sense of detachment from the outcome. While it's essential to maintain focus on your goals, it's equally important to release any attachment to how or when they will manifest. This detachment reduces resistance and allows the universe to work in its own time and manner. By practicing non-attachment, you avoid the pitfalls of frustration and impatience, which can create counterproductive energy. Thinking about the concept of flow is also vital. Flow refers to a state of being where you are fully immersed in the process of creation without being overly concerned with the end result. When you're in a state of flow, you align with your desires effortlessly, as your actions and thoughts are naturally guided towards your goals. This state of ease and alignment facilitates the manifestation process, making it more enjoyable and effective. Building supportive habits can further enhance your ability to manifest your desires. Create daily rituals that reinforce your intentions, such as journaling, affirmations, or meditation. These practices help to keep your focus sharp and your energy aligned with your goals. Regularly engaging in activities that nurture your inner state will solidify your commitment to the manifestation process. It's also beneficial to surround yourself with positive influences and supportive environments. The people and environments you interact with can either uplift or drain your energy. Seek out those who inspire and encourage you, and create spaces that reflect the energy you wish to cultivate. A positive environment reinforces your inner state and enhances your ability to attract and manifest your desires. The journey of mastering this law is ongoing. As you continue to refine your understanding and application of these principles, you'll find that your ability to manifest with precision and ease improves. Each step you take towards aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires strengthens your connection to the universal energy that responds to your inner world. Through persistent practice and mindful application of these principles, you unlock a profound capability to shape your reality. The law is not merely a concept, but a practical tool for creating the life you envision. As you master it, you tap into a limitless potential for transformation and fulfillment, realizing that the power to manifest your dreams lies within your own consciousness. In addition to these practices, maintain a state of expectancy. Expectation is a powerful force that helps to accelerate the manifestation process. When you truly expect your desires to come to fruition, you create a sense of certainty that aligns your actions and thoughts with that expectation. This certainty reinforces your belief in the law and enhances its effectiveness. Persistence and patience are key. Mastering this law requires consistent practice and faith in the process. There will be moments of doubt and challenges along the way, but staying committed to your practices and maintaining a positive outlook will help you overcome these obstacles. Trust that the universe is responding to your efforts, even if the results are not immediately visible. By applying these principles and practices, you harness the full potential of the law to manifest anything you desire. Your thoughts and feelings become the driving forces that shape your reality, and by mastering them, you unlock the power to create a life filled with abundance and fulfillment. This process is a continuous journey of self-discovery and alignment, where you learn to navigate the currents of your inner world to create the external reality you envision. As you continue to explore and apply this law, you'll find that the universe responds to your refined inner state with manifestations that align with your deepest desires. The key is to remain focused, practice with intention, and trust in the process. By mastering this law, you not only transform your own life, but also tap into a universal power that can bring your greatest dreams to fruition. As we've explored today, the power to shape your reality lies within your grasp. By understanding and applying the principles of this law, you unlock a profound capability to manifest your desires and achieve your goals. It all starts with mastering your inner dialogue and aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your intentions. This practice of internal alignment not only helps you focus your energy, but also opens up pathways for the universe to respond to your deepest aspirations. Implementing mindfulness in your daily life allows you to become aware of your thought patterns and emotional responses. By observing these without judgment, you can shift any negative or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Setting clear, precise intentions further guides your energy and actions towards what you wish to achieve. Visualization and clarity in your goals create a powerful focus, making it easier for the universe to bring your desires into reality. It's also crucial to practice detachment from the outcome. While it's important to stay focused on your goals, releasing attachment to the exact timing or manner in which they will manifest allows the universe to work its magic. This practice reduces resistance and helps you stay in a state of flow, where you can effortlessly align with your desires. Creating supportive habits and surrounding yourself with positive influences amplify this process, reinforcing your commitment and energy. Maintaining a regular routine of activities that support your goals, such as affirmations or meditation, keeps your intention strong and your focus sharp. Building a positive environment and connecting with uplifting people can also enhance your ability to manifest. These practices collectively build a robust foundation for turning your vision into reality. Your journey of mastering this law is continuous, and as you refine your understanding and application, you'll see even greater results. The ability to shape your reality is not a mere concept, but a practical skill that you can develop. With consistent effort and a positive mindset, you harness the potential to transform your life in ways you might not have imagined. If you found this information valuable and are excited to apply these principles, don't forget to show your support. Like this video to help others discover these insights and share your thoughts in the comments. If you're interested in more content like this, subscribe to the channel for updates on similar topics. Your feedback and engagement help us create even more content that can guide you on your journey. Consider turning on notifications so you never miss a new video. And if you know someone who could benefit from these teachings, share this video with them. Your support makes a significant difference.